In the name of Allah, who is most merciful and most beneficent. Lecture number 4, exercise number 2.3. In this exercise, we find the sum and product of roots. Question number 1. Find sum and product of quadratic equations. Part number 1. Equation is x square minus 5x plus 3 which is equal to 0. Solution. Rewrite the equation. In this exercise, we separate the values of a, b and c, which are the coefficients of x square, x and constant. A is the coefficient of x square, that is 1, b is the coefficient of x, that is minus 5, and c is the constant. Let alpha beta be the roots, then sum of roots, that is alpha plus beta, which is equal to minus b by a. It's the formula of S, means sum of roots minus b by a. Put the values of b and a, we get S is equal to 5. Now product p alpha beta, which is equal to c by a. It's the formula of product. C by a, put the values of c and a, that is 3. So p is 3. P is equal to 3. Remaining parts for practice. Question number 2. Find value of k if sum of the roots of equation this is twice the product of roots. Rewrite the equation. Here also separate the values of a, b and c. Let alpha beta be the roots. Sum s, which is equal to alpha plus beta, is equal to minus b by a. Put the values of b and a. We get 3. S is equal to 3 by 2k. It's the value of S. Now we find the product P, which is equal to alpha beta is equal to C by A. Put the values of C and A, we get 2. P is 2. Now according to the condition, S is equal to 2P, means sum is equal to twice of P, 2P. Put the values of S and P, we get 3 by 2k is equal to 2 multiply 2. 3 by 2k is equal to 2 multiply to 4. Its denominator is 1. Now by cross multiplication we get 2k multiply 4, 8k, which is equal to 3 multiply 1, 3. K is equal to 3 by 8. 8 shift to the other side. It will become the denominator. Second part for practice. Question number 3. Find k if sum of squares of the roots of the equation this is 2. Rewrite the equation. Separate the values of a, b and c. Let alpha beta be the roots. Then s is equal to alpha plus beta, which is equal to minus b by a. Put the values of b and a. We get s is equal to minus 3 by 4. Now p, product of roots alpha beta, which is equal to c by a. Put the values of c and a. We get minus 2 by k after simplification. 8, 4. Minus 2 by k. Now according to the condition, here the condition is sum of squares of roots is equal to 2. Roots are alpha beta, so square and sum, which is equal to 2. Here we can't put the values of alpha plus beta and alpha beta. So after adjustment, we put plus 2 alpha beta and minus 2 alpha beta. Here it will become the whole square of alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta as it is, which is equal to 2. Now we can put the values of alpha plus beta and alpha beta. Put the values of alpha plus beta and alpha beta. Alpha plus beta, which is equal to minus 3 by 4, means it's the sum of roots whole square minus 2 alpha beta minus 2 by k is equal to 2. After simplification, minus 3 by 4 whole square, which is equal to 9 by 16, minus minus plus 2 multiplied to 4 by k, which is equal to 2. Now 4 by k and 9 by 16 shift to the other side. It will become minus 9 by 16. Here take LCM. We get 32 minus 9 by 16. 4 by k is equal to 32 minus 9. 23 by 16. After cross multiplication, 23k 4 multiply 16. Which is equal to 23k is equal to 64 and k is equal to 64 by 23. 23 shift to the other side, it will become the denominator. And second part for practice. Allah Hafiz.